To use a Chipotle gift card on DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device and tapping on the search bar to find Chipotle. Once you have selected Chipotle, browse the menu and add your desired items to your cart. When you are ready to check out, tap on the View Cart button and review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed to the checkout page where you will be asked to enter your delivery address and select your preferred delivery time. On the checkout page, you will see a section that says promo code or gift card. Tap on this section and select gift card. You will then be prompted to enter your gift card number and the PIN, which is usually found on the back of the card. Enter the gift card details carefully and tap on Apply to add the gift card to your order. If the gift card balance covers the full amount of your order, you will not be required to add another payment method. However, if the gift card balance does not cover the full amount, you will be asked to add another payment method to cover the remaining balance. Once you have successfully applied the gift card, review your order summary to ensure the gift card has been applied and the correct amount has been deducted from your gift card balance. Then tap on the Place Order button to complete your order. Using a Chipotle gift card on DoorDash is a convenient way to enjoy your favorite Chipotle meals. While using a gift card as payment, always make sure to check the balance on your gift card before placing your order to avoid any issues with payment.